A very good day to everyone. Honorable Sister Maggie, Principal Sister Monica, Vice Principal Sister Mary, Supervisor Sir Neil, teachers, parents, and my dear students. 22nd December marks the beginning of Uttarayan, the northward march of sun. It means the day of duration start increasing. 14th January marks the first day of sun's transit into Makar Rashi. We in India celebrate any day of a fortnight next to 14th January as a geography day. It is famous in schools and colleges in Maharashtra. Awareness of environment protection, causes of pollution, etc. is the principal objective behind the celebration of the day. What is geography? The word geography originates from a Greek word geo, meaning earth, and graphein means to describe or to map. Hence, it can be inferred that geography is the science of the earth. That is, the study of surface of the earth, the location and the distribution of its physical, cultural features, the aerial outlines of the places, and also the interrelation of these features with us, that is, human beings. Aspirants who want to make a career in geography in India must be creative and imaginative. With a degree in geography, students are trained in data collection, analysis, presentation, problem identification, and evaluation. Due to the vast scope of geography, the subject spreads to several different aspects like environment management, geographic information systems, meteorology, urban planning, teaching, and research. Geography offers several career options with numerous specializations. Cartography. Geographers who specialize in subcategory of geography makes map, charts, globes, and models. Survey. Geographers can specialize in surveying either by joining the Survey of India or state survey departments or private organizations. Surveyors map the surface of the earth through mathematical observations and fieldwork. This is one of the many geography jobs in India. Next, urban and regional planning. The specialization is concerned with planning, housing, and development projects with respect to their location and utilization of available land space. Town planning. Town planners are employed by public and private organizations engaged in urban planning and design. Next, remote sensing. Studies of quickly changing phenomena such as floods, drought, and forest fires, etc. Remote sensing satellites provide a variety of information about Earth's surface. A climate change analysis. A professional in this field, geographers are required to analyze scientific data and conduct research concerning climate and climate change and make predictions regarding the future of the Earth's climate and weather. Depending on the area of specialization, geographers may be employed as forest managers or in agriculture or economic institutes, or maybe demographers in government and research organizations. A geography background is also an asset for careers in travel, tourism, particularly for travel journalism. You can also be employed as climatologist, as GIS specialist, and hydrologist. Once again, I wish you a very happy Geography Day and a happy Makar Sankranti to you all.